Today I'm going to show you on a G250 Coffeemar machine model how to remove a mixture motor. First going to power off the machine, open the door, swing open the cup dispenser here, and we're going to find ourselves the mixture bowl. Okay, we're going to swing open the coil mix compartment. We're first going to remove the mixture bowl by removing the top lid. Just up and out. This one's it's up and out. Forward. We're going to disconnect the brown hose. Putting it down. We're going to remove the elbow by turning it and pulling forward. And now we can go to the back of the machine and remove the mixture motor. Okay, once we're in the back of the machine, we're going to go ahead and remove all these screws. Normally it brings one screw here, one here, here, and here. Once we got all those out, I'm going to go ahead and remove the back cover. Now we're going to go here where the mixture motors are at. The mixture motor that we're removing is the one that is on the far right hand side. So this one is being blocked by the air chute, but we can actually get to it. Once we're behind the machine, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna remove the extractor air chute so we can access the motor more comfortably. The way we do this is we go on the left hand side of this bracket. It has a tab. We push up on the tab, we slide it just a little bit towards us. We can now tip it forward, disconnect the air chute here from the top, set this aside. Now we can see the motor. We can go ahead and disconnect it, grabbing the connection, pull back, and now to remove the motor has two tabs, one on the top, one on the bottom. We simply press them in, squeeze them, and just push forward the motor. We can now go around the machine and we can grab our motor. To reassemble the machine, once we have cleaned the mixture motor, we're going to go ahead, line up this tab right here with the hole that you can see over here, and insert it. Pops in place. Okay, we can grab our elbow. Okay, we're gonna put it right over it. Turn it. Connect our hose back on. Okay. Our mixer bowl has a little hole on the back where this hose, plastic part hose, will go into. We have to line it up with your finger. Make sure that falls in the hole. I'm gonna sit it in down properly. Our top, our lid goes in, and then it clips into place, locks into place like that. Now we're gonna go around the back of the machine, and we're gonna show you how to reassemble this. We're first gonna do electrical connections. Okay, the red one on the top here, and this one over here. All right. Now this part is a little tricky, which is for the extractor air chute. We're first gonna go ahead and we're gonna align it over the top here. We're gonna insert this section. Now we're gonna insert the top into the hole. Okay. Now we're gonna look down here, and we're gonna put the metal tabs right over the holes or those slits. We're gonna lift up here. We're gonna line up these chutes here, and we're gonna press the slide forward. Once we press the slide forward, this tab will fall into place. We're gonna make sure that the chute is inside the hole on the top, inside the hole on the bottom, and then we pull this back it does not come back. We can put our lid back on. And we can put our screws back on. Once we do that, we're set to go.